If you've ever struggled to make a lasting impression on a woman, the answer isn't in flashy pickup lines, rehearsed compliments, or pretending to be someone you're not. The real secret lies in two simple yet powerful words: curious and unapologetic. Most men overcomplicate attraction, believing it's about finding the perfect thing to say or crafting an image that impresses her. But here's the truth: women aren't captivated by mere words. They don't remember you because of a clever line or an extravagant gesture. What truly lingers in their minds is how you make them feel in your presence. Attraction is not built on what you say. It's built on the emotional experience you create. When you engage her with genuine curiosity, you make her feel seen, valued, and understood. And when you carry yourself with unapologetic confidence, you make her feel safe, intrigued, and drawn to your authenticity. These two qualities, curiosity and unapologetic energy, are what separate forgettable encounters from unforgettable connections. If you master them, you'll never have to struggle to be remembered again. Before we dive into today's topic, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Stoic24. By doing so, you'll ensure that you never miss out on our latest insights into Stoicism, personal growth, and timeless wisdom. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. This small action guarantees that you receive instant notifications whenever we upload a new video. Our goal is to bring you valuable content that helps you navigate life with a Stoic mindset. And staying updated is the best way to keep learning and evolving. Now that you're all set, let's get started. Magic word number 1: curious. Most men believe that attraction is about impressing a woman, talking about their achievements, cracking the perfect joke, or appearing as the most interesting person in the room. But the truth is, real magnetism comes from making her feel interesting. That's why the first key is curiosity. Instead of turning the conversation into a performance, shift the focus onto her. Ask questions that break the cycle of small talk and spark genuine emotion. A simple "how was your day?" won't make her pause and think, but something like, "what's one thing you're secretly proud of but never get to talk about?" Or, "if you could drop everything and chase a dream, what would it be?" forces her to step outside of autopilot and engage with you on a deeper level. Why does this work? Because curiosity signals confidence. It shows that you're not desperate to impress. You're comfortable enough to explore who she is. Most guys talk at women, trying to prove their worth. But a man who listens, who genuinely seeks to understand her, stands out effortlessly. He becomes someone she remembers, not because he was loud, flashy, or overly charming, but because he made her feel seen. And in a world where everyone wants to be noticed, that is the kind of confidence that leaves an undeniable impact. Curiosity isn't just about asking questions. It's about how you ask them and how you listen. Most men ask things out of obligation, waiting for their turn to talk. But when you're truly engaged, when you lean in with genuine interest, she can feel it. Your energy shifts. You're not just checking boxes in a conversation. You're uncovering layers of who she is. And that's what makes the difference. A woman isn't drawn to a man because he delivers the perfect line. She's drawn to how he makes her feel in the moment. When you ask a deep, unexpected question and actually listen, you create a space where she feels comfortable being vulnerable, where she can share something real. That kind of connection is rare and it's addictive. But curiosity isn't just about her, it's also about you. When you're curious, you naturally drop the need to perform or impress. You stop overanalyzing every word and simply enjoy the interaction. This relaxed confidence is powerful. It tells her, "I don't need to prove myself. I'm just here to see if we connect." And ironically, that's what makes you more attractive. When you're deeply curious, you step into a mindset of abundance. You're not trying to win her over. You're discovering whether she aligns with you. This flips the usual dynamic. Instead of being like every other guy vying for her attention, you become the one evaluating her. And that subtle shift makes her see you in a completely different light. Magic word number 2, unapologetic. The power of being unapologetic lies in the certainty it radiates. Women are naturally drawn to men who own who they are, without hesitation, without excuses, and without looking for validation. Nothing repels attraction faster than neediness, yet nothing builds it faster than authenticity. When a man is unapologetic, he isn't seeking approval or trying to mold himself into what he thinks a woman wants. He simply is, fully, confidently, and without compromise. That means embracing your quirks, your interests, and your boundaries with zero hesitation. Maybe you have an unusual hobby, a strong opinion, or a lifestyle that isn't mainstream. Own it. Say, I don't drink, but I'll grab a coffee if you're up for something different, or I'm obsessed with ancient history. Yeah, I'm that guy who reads about Roman emperors for fun. These statements don't beg for acceptance. They project certainty. And certainty is magnetic. It makes a woman feel safe, because a man who stands firm in his identity won't crumble under pressure or shift just to please others. It makes her feel respected, because he's not putting on an act, he's inviting her into his world. And most importantly, it makes her intrigued, because confidence without apology is rare. Women don't want a man who bends to fit the moment. They want a man who is the moment. Being unapologetic doesn't mean being rude, stubborn, or dismissive. It means standing firm in your identity without fear of judgment. Too many men dilute their personalities in an attempt to be more likable, not realizing that this watered-down version of themselves is what actually makes them forgettable. Women are not drawn to perfection. They're drawn to conviction. When you speak with certainty, when you express your thoughts without hesitation, and when you refuse to bend just to seek approval, you set yourself apart from the majority of men who play it safe. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who was completely at ease with themselves? Who didn't second-guess their words or look around for validation? That kind of presence is intoxicating. It tells the world, this is who I am. Take it or leave it. And that energy creates attraction on autopilot because it signals high value. Women don't want a man who asks, is this okay? Before he shares his opinion. They want a man who confidently says, this is what I think. They don't want a man who waits to see if his interests are cool enough. They want a man who loves what he loves and makes no excuses for it. The irony is, when you stop trying to impress, that's when you actually impress. When you stop filtering your personality, that's when the right people naturally gravitate toward you. Women don't remember the guy who agrees with everything they say. They remember the man who challenges them, the man who has his own world and invites them into it. So stop asking for permission to be yourself. Stop worrying if your quirks are too much. Own them, because the moment you do, you become unforgettable. Conclusion: attraction isn't about chasing, it's about being. When you combine curiosity with unapologetic energy, you shift from trying to impress to effortlessly drawing her in. She feels seen, not just as another pretty face, but as someone truly understood. She feels safe, not because you're playing a role, but because you radiate certainty in who you are. And that's the difference. Most men make the mistake of seeking validation, throwing compliments, or over-explaining themselves. But a man who asks deep, unexpected questions and owns his identity without hesitation becomes irresistible. He's the one who lingers in her mind long after the conversation ends. No need for pickup lines, no need for pretending, just an authentic presence that captivates. Women don't chase words, they chase energy. And when you master this, you'll notice something incredible. She starts investing in you. She remembers your words, reaches out first, and wants to keep the connection alive. This isn't about manipulation. It's about becoming the kind of man who naturally commands respect and attraction. So start today. Ask that bold question. Stand by your opinions without fear. Watch how the dynamic shifts. If you're done chasing and ready to attract, hit like, subscribe, and comment magic below. This channel is your blueprint for confidence. See you in the next video.